Hey guys, doing a little bit more state national homework, and I got this book off of Amazon. It's like $5. It's not much at all, but it does a great job of explaining jurisdiction and how the courts work. So the guy that wrote it explains that in 1938 is when stuff changed, and it goes on to tell you that here. And he made friends with a judge, but like here's where it gets good. It says, later when I went to visit the judge, I told him of my problem with the Supreme Court cases dealing with public policy rather than public law. He said that in 1938, all the higher judges, the top attorneys, and the U.S. attorneys were called into a secret meeting, and this is what we were told. America is a bankrupt nation. It's owned completely by its creditors. The creditors own Congress, and they own executive, they own the judiciary, and all the state governments. Take silent judicial notice of this fact, but never reveal it openly. Your court is operating under admiralty jurisdiction. Call it anything you want, but don't call it admiralty. The reason you can't call it admiralty jurisdiction is that your defense would be quite different in admiralty jurisdiction from your defense under the common law. In admiralty, no court has jurisdiction unless there's a valid international contract in dispute. When you know it is admiralty jurisdiction and they have admitted on the record that you are an admiralty court, you can demand that the international maritime contract to which you are supposedly party and which you supposedly have breached to be placed into evidence. And they can't do that because they'd have to put the national debt into evidence. So this book is really helpful. It's telling you how to use the UCC code in order to make your status valid in court to claim jurisdiction. So, I mean, that's just a little snippet. I'm still in the beginning of it. It's a really good book. If you need to understand trust law, I suggest this one. It's by David Robinson. It's the pure trust. It's your common law trust. And that's what you need to transfer your money from that CQV trust into another trust, not your bank account. So that one's good, and it gives you examples of how to write one. See, it tells you how to do it in there. And then here's another one. That's a good one. Let's see, we've got this one's like $5 on Amazon, not much at all. And this one was suggested on TikTok. It's got a religious base, but it's still got really good information and court cases in it. I hope this helped you guys. I'm hoping we can all be free soon.